Menta perlokan warak shpi ke kubur. Dagi spa ateliki misail bat drone. Siat haka wave ka bakat kendai jong ka Iran. Tongan isngap. Ka operation True Promise number saw jong ka Iran. Kala poi ka wave ka bakat kendai. Yaki strike haki target ka Amerika bat Israel. Ki nuclear threat ki airstrike bat ki thama drone kala long ke jekun hapadang ka Iran Persia ya ka Amerika bat ka Israel. Sya ka jinge pet ibor ka bakraw. Haka wave ka bakat kendai. Ka Iran ka ong baka target jong ka kadai kham tam syapo ki occupied territories jong ka Amerika bar ka Israel. Kam ka bor sensar Iran bakala hit yagi cika spy Amerika hapo kita ki occupied territories daki strike pa ai da ka code name Mubarak. Ka IRGC Iran Revolutionary Guard Corps kaladap maham baki atak jong ka Shen kanang kamjur bat he shushu. Launch ka Iran yaki strike ki barba saudong ka Israel. Tong ini skap. Haka nega latest wave jog strike daki Iran ka IRGC Iran Revolutionary Guard Corps kala siat daki misail pa daki drone saudong ki jaka ka Israel. Kam ka IRGC bakala yo strike ya ka Ben Gurion Airport bat ya ki advanced radar system jog ka Israel. Berngam ka Iran ya ka Dimona nuclear plant ka Israel halor ka jingkala ya ka sensar kadar. Senior IRGC officer wong ka Dimona nuclear plant kan sadai ka target lada ka Amerika ber ka Israel. Kindang penperi ke jing sencar Iran.
IDF detected ballistic missile launches from Iran towards Israel. Sirens sounded across central Israel, the Jerusalem area and parts of the West Bank. Air defense batteries engaged and worked to intercept incoming missiles over several waves. Home Front Command later announced it was safe for residents to leave bomb shelters. Megan David Adams said there were no reported injuries from the latest Iranian missile barrage. Hezbollah reportedly fired on an Israeli Merkava tank positioned along the Lebanon border. Hebrew media described the incident as a serious security event, suggesting there may have been fatalities.
Penskam ke Iran yaki frontline saudong ke Middle East. Tong iskap. Hapdeng ke wave ke bakat kendai jong ki strike. Penskam ke Iran ya shibun teli ki frontline ha Middle East. Lapentip bakawai ke tanker umpnyang hakawai ke jahat paji na Kuwait. Kapthei hakapor bakadang yeng. Ka UK MTU United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operation ka ong ba layu iya ka umpnyang balik sa duriaw hadin ka jing patay pentip ba baro ki crew member ki light na ka jing mansaw hakatay ka jing patay ka tanker tangba ka ni ka jing jia kalalong ka jing berten ya kilintiya ki jahat saudong ka Middle East ha ko galyang ka Kuwait ka ong ba ka ni ka jing patay ka de syabar uput duriaw jong ka Saudi Arabia Defense Ministry ka ong kalayo ban kanglenti ya shibun ki drone hajan ka Al-Kharaj pat ha Al-Janif ka Qatar kalapan kenria ikin syong hajan ka US Embassy ha Doha kum ke jing pen kre ban syong ki priu jongka ki mission ka Amerika Saudi Arabia Kuwait pat ha Dubai kila daya kendu ya ki drone attack hau new tayo ha ga juga por ka Iran ka kentaj bat ka ong baka klaim siat misail sa Turki ka badai ka NATO members ha ka South March ka Turki ka ong ba yo siat penhap ka NATO defense yau misail bawan rung sa airspace jongka ka FAR news ka ong ka IRGC ka Kamru baka pa bom na ka drone hagawi ka Amazon data center haberian pentip ka FARS news ka RIGC ka Kamru baka pa bom na ka drone hagawi ka Amazon data center haberian pentip ka FAR news ba ka Amazon web series ka ong ki drone attack hajan ki jaka ka berian kila penjulor bala pendu ya ka boarding.
Amazon Web Services statement said these strikes have caused structural damage, disrupted power delivery to our infrastructure and in some cases required fire suppression activities that resulted in additional water damage.
Kop ka Iranian media bahkan pelong da ka campaign ka bahe persya ya ka pentap pedeng ka Amazon data saudong kiri Gulf kum haberian Kuwait Iraq Oman Qatar ha Saudi Arabia bat ha UAE namar ka di ka company na Amerika dang sibet la pentip bagi drone Iran ki target ya artili ki jaka ka Amazon ha United Arab Emirates strike ka Israel ya ka Iran bat ya ka Lebanon tong ini skap penyap ki strike ka Israel laingut ki breu na airport highway jong ka Beirut ha ga janmet jong ka South March ki jingratma ka Israel ki hitru ya ka jaka hajan Tyre nakwara pat ha Al-Shashabiyah ha Lebanon sipangsti kawai ka strike Israel ya ka Palestine refugee camp ha Lebanon report ba yap uwi he ka Hamas ka report ka ong Palaksan pengut ki breu ki basya ayap ki strike ke Israel ha Lebanon nado ka arterik March shibun ki blas ki bahe lapen bitar ya ke Iran namar baka Israel ka hit ya ka security jong ka Iran bat yiki jaka ka RIGC. Launch ka Israel yiki airstrike ha ka RIGC bas Jeff bat yiki weki internal security force jong ka Iran. Ka Wall Street Journal kaong ki strike ka Israel ki target yiki spy Iran baka keno kidei ki baknyot ben ya ka protes hau banai January. Ka news update na ka Al Jazeera ha ka step jong ka santrik march kaong yo sngawi ki jing pthei ki barat ba saudong kanong ba teran. Ka US Central Command ka ong ba kanyai beteng ban Saibor khnang ban yo pendujaj ya ka mobile missile launch capabilities jong ka Iran. Hakan rius ngi jong ka thma yo ki spy Israel ban target ya ka ballistic missile launcher hakom area jong ka Iran. Hamedan siat penhap ka Iranian Air Defense ya ka we ka Israeli Hermes drone ong ka Iran Tasnim News Agency. Report ka Health Ministry jong ka Iran ba palat Shia jarngut ki breu ki balayap bat palat rua jarngut ki bamasaw nadu basdang tmah ki he ka Iran ki ong palat shispa san putli ki nong ba saudong ka Iran ki lasat terbom nadu ka 4 Februari ha ka sautrik March publish ka Iran Army ya ka update syapang ka military operation jongka ka badangnya persya ya ka Israel badi ka Amerika.
The downing of a Hermes drone belonging to the usurping Zionist regime by the Air Defense Forces of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps in Khorramabad. The targeting of the US Air Base in the Sheikh Isa area of Bahrain in a large-scale drone and missile operation by the Navy in the early hours of this morning. In this attack, 10 key and strategic command points and equipment complexes of American terrorists at the Sheikh Isa Air Base in Bahrain were heavily struck by Iranian projectiles. The destroyed targets included the Air Command and Control Center of the American terrorists, aircraft fuel storage tanks, and the building housing senior US commanders at the base. The interception and safe landing of an advanced and strategic Hermes 900 drone armed with 8 smart bombs by the Air Defense and Electronic Warfare System of the Aerospace Force of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. The powerful destruction of positions belonging to counter-revolutionary separatist groups in the Kurdistan region of Iraq through the launch of 30 drones by operational units of the IRGC ground force. These groups were reportedly planning infiltration and actions against the sacred borders of the homeland. The Army Air Defense Force, by destroying 7 intruding drones belonging to the Zionist regime in various parts of the country, has brought the total number of different enemy American and Zionist drones shot down to 35. Military areas of the Zionist regime in the occupied territories, as well as US naval vessels and bases, including Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, were struck in the early hours of this morning from various locations across the country by the Army Navy using suicide drones and surface-to-sea missiles. We emphasize that decisive and swift action against all aggressive and hostile groups in any geographical area has been placed on the agenda of the security and operational units of the armed forces, and no leniency will be shown toward the hosts or perpetrators of actions against Iran's national security. Offensive and defensive operations against the invading enemy are continuing with full force. The 16th wave of Operation True Promise 4 has also begun under the code phrase O Ali ibn Abi Talib, peace be upon him, involving the launch of a large number of missiles and multiple drones toward the heart of the occupied territories. The gates of hell have now been opened upon the American and Zionist aggressors.